Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Ncell to NTC in 2025 using the updated method. So step 1, make sure that both your Ncell and NTC numbers are active and registered under the verified identities. Step 2, dial asterisk 17122 hashtag number to your Ncell phone to access the Ncell Money service. If you haven't registered yet, follow the prompts to activate your Ncell Money. Step 3. After you registered, select the Send Money option from the Ncell Money menu. Step 4. Choose other networks or transfer to NTC depending on your menu version. Step 5. Enter the NTC recipient number and then input the amount that you want to send. After that, you will confirm the transaction by entering your 4-digit Ncell Money PIN. Step 6. You will receive a confirmation message and the NTC user should receive the money instantly or within just few minutes. And now you have successfully transferred money from Ncell to NCT in 2025. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.